like a million times because they know that you're the absolute, the original.
Hi everyone, hope you're all tickety-boo. Welcome to Wake Up Wednesday. As you can see, that was a bit close trying to fly the drone in then. Anyway, today, a little tip is this little geezer here is going to make your Ronin SC life even better than the last one. If you're interested in the last one with the quick release systems, check it out. There'll be a link on here somewhere, or over there, or up there, or down there. But the problem is I've driven all the way out here to get out and about, and I've forgotten to bring the Ronin with me. So I better go and get it. See you in a sec.
Everybody's gonna stand in line. They wanna touch a little solid gold. When you're classic, when you start it all, you ain't never ever getting old. The original.
Right, I got home, and now I'm hopefully gonna get the Ronin. So let's have a look if it's in it. And there she is. Let's go and give it a go outside. I'll show you in a sec. Right, so we're back outside, and if you hear some banging going on, there's obviously loads of people working on a bank holiday. But this little geezer, as I said to you, is going to change the way you use a Ronin SC. So all you do is you take the quick release plate and you attach the Manfrotto. Frodo! And this will only work obviously if you have these type of fittings on all your tripods. Okay, you just screw them in, nice and tight. The one thing to watch out for is obviously this screw here, so you either have to set it back like that or to one side. Personally, I'm going to do it to the side. And while I've been doing this, I've also thought of another idea, which I'll let you know about later on, but I think this will help us with setting up bigger lenses on cameras like this one, the OSR. But for today, just for purposes of showing you guys how to do it, yeah, it's on there. Oh, and by the way, I've replaced my screw down there with one of those little lever ones because it's easier to attach it. It's all about ease at the end of the day, but for today I'm going to show you how to attach this on, and it will just have the M50 on there, so see you in a sec. Right, show you once more, a bit up closer, yeah, okay, just take that one, pop it in there, okay, and screw them in, simple as that. Get that one all nice and tight, and that's that done. Now the thing is, you can either overhang it or whatever you want to do, and obviously you want to muck around with the settings afterwards, but it's just to show you how to do it. So that's nice and tight. I've already attached this to the bottom of the M50, you don't need to see that. But literally, yeah, pops in, it says, like that, and clicks in. All right, so let's see how it works with the old DJI Ronin. So for ease for this, I've actually set it all up already. You don't need to see me balance it. There's loads of videos out there on people balancing it in different techniques, and to be honest with you, it's quite boring watching someone else do it. The only way you can learn is by doing it yourself. But this is for another quick release method. So I've attached that on there, okay? All right, and we've got that on the bottom of the M50. And then you literally just slot them in, okay? Tighten that one up. This is just for purposes, all right, of showing you how to do it. And then literally, you will just go click and slot in. And if you want, you can obviously lock it in as well. So that's an easy way of doing it. There is another benefit of this though. Even though someone's sweeping away in the background, I'll show you in a sec. So, like I said, there's another benefit for it. Let's pretend this is one of your tripods or one of the other pieces of kit. I've got these Manfrotto or whatever it's bloody called. Sounds like something out of Bilbo Baggins, doesn't it? Frodo. I've got them attached to every piece of kit I've got, including the tripods and everything else, because it makes life a lot easier. Let's pretend this is one of your tripods, okay? So all you need to do is say you want to switch from the gimbal over to your tripod for a still shot, or using it with the sliders and things like that. It's just pop them off, and Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, on there, the tripod as well. I think you'll find that's pretty tickety-boo, isn't it? Anyway, that's it for today. Hopefully you found this one useful. Get out there and give it a go yourself, and if you've got any questions, there will be links to these down below. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments, and have a good day. Cheers and go on.